I have a 2019 Honda Odyssey. We're gonna be replacing the rear shock absorber. This one is bad. Alright, so we'll be replacing this. This is the rear shock absorber. We need to put something underneath to kind of help us out. Jack it up here on the bottom. Alright, so we'll be removing the rear shock absorber. There's 2 bolts here on the top and then 1 bolt here on the bottom. But make sure before you do all that, we have to jack up the car. So we're gonna jack it up like right here on the bottom. So that it doesn't slide out and hurt yourself. There's 1 bolt here underneath. That's 4. Looks like 17. So for the bottom, 17. So when you're installing this, it's got to be washer and then nut. Okay, washer and the nut. These are 14s. And just pull it. Should come off. Bottom one pry it out. All right, there you go. This one is bad. So these are the new ones. Quick tip when you're installing the new ones, that do not gun the upper bolts. Stuff on the bottom. Take this out. So we're gonna be doing the washer first, then the nut. Make sure this thing's gonna be flush. So I have to raise it up. So you place it right here. Let's see if I can lift it up. All right, see it in there. go. Oh man, it doesn't have any brake pads. Just remember when doing this, you gotta have a lot of jack stand. Place the jack here, where the two bolts meets, and the two, place it here. You do it manually. Because I did try to use gun this before in a different car, and I stripped the bolt, and it was super hard to fix. My advice would be just do it manually, tighten it manually. Just make it snug. Then tighten it manually. Because I'm trying to not get this one loose thread. That's super hard to fix. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Same thing on this one. All right, we're gonna place the jack stand here in the middle. $17. 14 on the top. Slide it out. Just install the bottom one first. This thing is going to be inside, so the cupping is going to be inside. All right, so once we took out the thing, what we need to do is raise it up. Just raise it up just slowly. Make sure that the jack doesn't, you got a room to run just in case it falls off. Keep that in mind. These are tools. Don't get too comfortable with them. All right. There you go. There you go. This is tight. Just make it snug. Oh, we're at it. Then tighten them manually. All right, that's it. That's how you change the rear shock absorber on this 2019 Honda Odyssey. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. If you guys watched the entire video, I appreciate y'all. I have more videos of this car coming in, so just stay tuned. It's gonna be on my playlist. You guys want to check that out as well, I appreciate it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.